Emojis are pictographic symbols that we use to communicate facial expressions, gestures, feelings, sentiments, common objects, and just about anything else that's difficult to express with words. Also, poop. They started gaining popularity in the mid-90s when more people were using computers to talk to each other, so we needed a way to express emotion when communicating via text because the internet at the time was too slow to run a video call without making your face so pixely that you looked like you were in the witness protection program. So we started using smileys and other symbols to fill the communication gap. By the time 2010 rolled around and everyone was texting, emojis were standardized into a set of universal symbols, effectively making them a global image-based digital language. Thing is, that language is constantly evolving and the meanings of the symbols can change rapidly. For example, if it was 2010 and I sent you an eggplant and a peach emoji with a question mark, you might think I was inviting you to a vegetarian picnic. But if I did the same thing in 2020, totally different story. This new form of communication also has a dark side. Emojis are standardized by an organization called the Unicode Consortium, which is governed by an unelected group of representatives from some of the most powerful tech companies in the world. That's not necessarily a problem, but you know how in George Orwell's 1984 the government controlled how people thought by controlling the words in their language? It's sort of like that, but instead of the government, it's corporations that are in control of emojis. So if you ever feel like sticking it to the man, skip the middle finger emoji and send a GIF instead.